Survey Junkie review. Earn money online. Survey Junkie is a great way to earn money online. Survey Junkie is a great service site or a scam. I am going to share my opinion and give you an inside look of Survey Junkie, if it would be worth joining for you or not. I have now logged into a Survey Junkie, so you can see I don't have any available surveys. It's a very clean look. It depends on where you live. If you live in US, UK, Canada and Australia, you will see surveys here. This is just how simple it is. You can take back once in a while to see. Once you are a member, you can check back in a while to see once you are a member and how often you get surveys. So you know that's just how easy and simple to use. And then you can see how much money you have right now. Here there is like $1 on my account right now. You need a minimum of $10. It's easy and simple. It has a decent amount of survey, and that's basically you get surveys here. Be aware that if you don't live in the US, UK, Australia and Canada, it's not possible to join. It is only available for people in the US, UK, Canada and Australia. And the one thing that many people don't know is that there are actually other ways to get paid here as well, and you get these questions in sign up process. It just looks like you can do survey, and for example you can see product testing. If you say yes from the beginning, I am interested in product testing, you will be offered to test a product, and you can sign up for that and give him feedback, and you can earn between $5 and $50 for doing this. There is only focus group options. In person focus group you can opt in for during the sign up process. If you are lucky, you can see there is a paid phone introduced, and it doesn't mean that you would get them all the time. In a while, not very often, so I would definitely recommend in the sign up process. If you would like extra chances, they can pay quite well here, like even up to $150. It's definitely a great way to earn a little bit extra money, so make sure to opt out for these options, and then you can actually have this opportunity, a great way to earn money online and to earn some extra money taking surveys on Survey Junkie. You have some fairly good opportunities here, and if you are lucky, you can boost your earnings if you sign up for these other opportunities and qualify for these. And you need to know how you can get paid. You can get paid through various ways. It depends where it's available, where you live in all countries, and you know you need a $10 at least to get paid. You can get paid through gift cards, and also you can get paid through PayPal, and you have to get a joining bonus. It has some pretty good payout methods, and also you can get paid through a tool that goes directly into bank accounts. And like I said, after you join, you will get a joining bonus. Verify your email and fill out your profile, and after that you get a couple of dollars to kickstart your balance from the beginning. As you can see, it definitely a legit service side. It does offer opportunities to earn on survey. I would definitely recommend checking out this site if you live in one of the countries in the US, UK, Canada and Australia. The most survey is available. It's very easy and simple to use, and it gives you good opportunities. Definitely one of the legit sites. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.